This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. 6-volt ATV Quad Bike, and this is one of the best 6-volt quads that we sell at RiiRoo. If you're looking to get them onto a quad for the first time, then this one is definitely appropriate for them. You really can't go wrong with this one. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Startup engine sounds and a pre-installed music player.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The off-road wheel design gives more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Forward and reverse gears. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.